and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Cynthia, welcome if you are new here. Thank you for joining me today on a new sort of project over on my channel. I have done a sort of DIY video in the past. It was a marble sort of flat lay background for bloggers. I'll leave that link down below just in case you guys want to check that out. But since then I haven't really created any other DIY things. I really wanted to start kind of building up my sort of furniture collection so that when I do have enough money to move out, then I can just shift these things over and move them into my own place, which would be really nice. One of the things that I really wanted was a side table with a marble top and a sort of gold metal sort of framing. And after googling I found out that quite to my surprise that these side tables are actually really expensive. So I think the cheapest one I found online was about maybe £80 or £100, and now that's a lot to spend on a table considering I don't even have my own sort of place to really put it, or not really that into like furniture and interior design all that much just yet. I still wanted to create something like this, so what I went ahead and did is I watched a few DIY videos and gained a bit of inspiration, and that's how I've come up with this video to put together and share with you. So it's really simple. I'm going to show you all of the steps. All you literally need is like 4 different products, and it's really easy to convert and to make something look more expensive than it actually is just by doing it all yourself. So please continue to watch and I'll show you guys just how to do it. Oh, and by all means I'm no expert whatsoever. I'm just literally wanted to have a go at a new sort of project, and this is what I've made. I might have done a few things differently to how other people would have done it. That's absolutely fine. Constructive criticism is welcome. But anyway guys, I'm going to show you how I did it my way, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so starting off I took my delivery outside as I used the box as a base for the spray paint so that I didn't stain anywhere. And as you can see I've got the white IKEA GLADOM table for £15. It comes with really simple instructions. There's only about 4 steps on there, so it was a really quick and simple easy process to assemble. Now that the table is assembled, I'm going to grab my white primer paint spray from Wilko's. This was only about £5, and this basically just helps to set a base and protects against rust. Simply just spray in an up and down sort of motion. I would choose to do it a bit further away. Now I know in hindsight, and I've read the actual instructions, so bear that in mind, otherwise it will start to run, as you can see here. Okay, so now that I've finished with the white primer paint spray, I've given it 2 coats and left it to dry 20 minutes in between. I'm now going to go in with the Rust Oleum Bright Gold metallic paint spray, and this was £9 in Wilko, so a little bit more expensive. However, can you see that I'm spray painting from a lot more of a distance away now that I've actually read the instructions? This works a lot better. So I've completed the first coat of this, and now I'm just going in with another and fixing up any bits and pieces that I've missed. Okay, so now that the table is dried, I've left it to dry for a good 40 minutes, but it's time to move on to the tabletop. So last minute I decided to spray paint the sides of the table gold as well, just because I feel like it would be a much nicer finish than to have the marble wrapped all around. So as you can see here, I'm just tracing around the template of the table to get the right size, and then I'm carefully cutting around the edge of the line. So I've just placed it on the top quickly just to make sure that it fits around, and yeah, it actually works. So what I'm doing here is I should have probably taken like a hairdryer and dried it down properly just to prevent as many air bubbles, but what I've done instead is taken a ruler. Maybe I should have taken a larger one in hindsight, but this works quite well for me. It was quite a windy day as well, so I would probably have done this inside if I was going to do it again. But yeah, as you can see here, I'm just trying to push around the air bubbles, and there you guys have it. There's our expensive looking IKEA GLADOM marble table. So that was the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found it a little bit helpful, useful, or maybe inspiring towards creating something yourself and doing a bit of DIY. I had lots of fun putting this together. It felt really good at the end of it when the end product was finished. So yeah, it's kind of like also inspired me to want to maybe explore more and create a bit more DIY. So just because of realising how easy DIY is to do and how much cheaper it is as an alternative, instead of like buying out something outright, you can just DIY it yourself to suit your needs. So if you guys have any sort of other suggestions, because I've really actually enjoyed doing that, of what sort of DIY tips, tricks, or maybe even hacks that you may have, please do leave them in the comments down below and I'll check them out. Also, if you guys did actually enjoy this video, I know I really enjoyed making it, then please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more things like it. But anyway guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys have a lovely day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever time of the day that it is that you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching again. Bye.